In this video, I'm going to show you how to create private server in Jujutsu Shenanigans Roblox. So you just have to search for Shenanigans. So it doesn't matter if you use a cell phone or a desktop. So all you just have to do is just go to this Jujutsu Shenanigans, and as you can see, this icon, you just have to click that, and as you can see in here, you could create a private server in here. And as you can see, just give a private server name. And so, for example, Hawk, and just buy now. And as you can see in here, you have successfully brought the Jujutsu Shenanigans private server from also not types for free. So you just have to customize. And as you can see, you could add people in here and friends allowed. Just click that so they could join the experience in this private server. Or you could also generate a private server link to send them with that, and they could join you. And once that's done, that's it.